do not fall for MLM scams on Upwork. I never thought I would be saying this, but the other day I got invited to an MLM on good old Upwork. If you don't know, MLM stands for multi-level marketing, and according to Investopedia, this refers to a strategy used by some direct sales companies to sell products and services. MLM encourages existing members to promote and sell their offerings to other individuals and bring on new recruits into the business. AKA, it's a pyramid scheme that also happens to sell a product. And the thing with these schemes is, more often than not, people actually lose money. I'll add the actual stat right here on the screen, but if you ask me, it's definitely not worth your time. You have to pay like fees to get in, and oftentimes fees to keep yourself in the company and actually get paid. And what you get paid back, unless you're right at the top of the pyramid, is not going to be enough to cover the costs. And the thing is, I absolutely love anti-MLM content. I binge it like it's Netflix, but I never thought I would be on the other side and actually be recruited or try to be recruited into an MLM. That is, until now, of course. And by the way, if you're not familiar with anti-MLM content, I'll have Hannah Alonso's channel linked down below. I absolutely love her stuff. And if you're into scams, which I know most of you are, I know you'll like it too, so go check it out. But yeah, basically I got this weird ass invite on Upwork the other day, and as soon as I started reading it, I knew it had to be an MLM. I think it was the 6 to 7 figure talk that really gave it away for me. And then I scrolled down and I saw a YouTube link, so I clicked on it, and let me actually watch it with you. Alright, so let's hit play and watch this thing. Okay, it's probably too loud. Hold on, let me try again. Oh, headphones are a thing. Wait, but does this record the... It doesn't matter if it records the audio from the... Okay, let's try this again. Oh, shit, this is loud. Okay, so it's a solar power MLM. I mean, I gotta say, the beginning of the video looked good. Okay, so I'm gonna hit pause here. This is where they got me, like, and I started just laughing out loud. Like, if you have to say you're not a network marketing or an MLM company, in my opinion, that just gives it away for me. I don't know what else I can say. I'll keep watching the video, but probably I won't include much of it on the video, just because I think it may be boring. But like, you know, we're 30 seconds into the video and they already outed themselves. So, yeah. I'm actually going to fast forward this. No experience required. That's awesome. Okay, first sale. I was gonna ask. By the way, notice the little thing at the bottom that says there are no guarantees regarding earnings. They have to say that, but it's like, okay, yeah, you're promising shit anyway. Okay, again, we're growing our team, so yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so apparently you like make money from growing your team and you make money from your team's sales. So if this is not an MLM, I don't know what to say. Now, I gotta say, I never actually thought I would get invited to something like this on Upwork, but if you think about it, it actually makes sense. Because freelancers, we clearly want to make money from home, and we probably want to make more money than we would at a regular job. So it's like the prime market for MLM people to be recruiting others. So it's a pretty smart move, I'll give them that. And you know what else is funny? Whenever I'm watching anti-MLM content, I'm always like, shit, I talk about making money from home and making more money than you would at your regular job all the time in my content. Do people think I'm like an MLM hun or something? Yet, I still never connected the dots the other way around. But trust me guys, freelancing is real. You don't have to pay to work. And if a client tries to make you pay for work, just run the other way. So yeah, I guess the purpose of this video is to warn you that MLMs on Upwork apparently are now a thing. So keep an eye out for that. And remember these 3 golden rules. Number 1, never pay to work. Not on Upwork, not anywhere. Number 2, never talk to a client outside Upwork. No telegrams or WhatsApps or any of that shit. And 3, don't accept payment for commission only. Make sure that you at least are getting paid something like a fixed price rate for your time and your work. And if you want to learn more about how you can get clients on Upwork while avoiding scams, check out my course. I'll have a link down below. In it, I talk about how to set up a profile, how to find the right jobs, how to submit proposals, and yes, how to avoid scams. So go check it out. You can actually take the first module for free and then upgrade later if you like my teaching style. And in the meantime, check out this video right here where I scam bait an Upwork scammer. I'll see you there.